Live video streaming is everywhere, from concerts and sports to online learning and interactive shopping. But behind every smooth, real-time broadcast is one critical piece of technology, the live streaming server. In this video, we'll break down what it is, how it works, and the latest in live streaming tech for 2025. What is a live streaming server? A live streaming server is built to deliver real-time video and audio over the internet. Unlike regular web servers, it's optimized for high-speed continuous data flow, ensuring that viewers see your event as it happens, without delays or buffering. How it works. Here's the process. Capture, cameras record the event. Compression and encoding. The video is compressed with codecs like H.264, H.265, or AV1 to reduce file size while keeping quality. Segmentation. The video is split into small chunks for seamless delivery. Distribution via CDN. Content delivery networks cache and deliver these chunks from servers closest to the viewer. Decoding and playback. On the viewer's device, the data is decompressed and played in real time. Key technologies and protocols. In 2025, popular streaming protocols include RTMP for low latency ingest, HLS for universal compatibility, LL-HLS for sub-2-second delays, MPEG-DASH for codec flexibility, and WebRTC for ultra-low latency interactions. Each has its strengths depending on your use case, whether it's live sports, gaming, or corporate events. Trends and applications. Live streaming servers are powering fast-growing industries: e-learning, corporate training, virtual events, and even live shopping. In fact, live commerce is projected to generate over $25 billion in sales, and live video engagement is 10 to 20 times higher than on-demand video. To get the best results, choose the right server setup: dedicated, cloud-based, or SaaS, depending on your scale. Optimize for bandwidth, use adaptive bitrate streaming, and secure your stream with DRM and encryption. With the right setup, you can deliver smooth, reliable live broadcasts to audiences worldwide. Want to dive deeper into the technology behind live streaming servers? Check out our full guide in the description below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more streaming tech insights.